541 helper. I'm gonna get the professional out here to get this, but there's your red door. Check that red door out. There's your red door right there. Awesome, good job, Matt.
Thank you.
How'd it come out, good?
Really good.
Yeah, so Matt came over, we got this all painted. Got all the new siding on. Back, we just gotta put a couple air conditioners in, I guess, is about all we got, right?
One air conditioner. Yep.
One air conditioner, yeah. So that's all good. This has turned out to be a really nice house. Here's all that. That's all been replaced. Got the extensions on the gutters. This is painted. Let's go inside. You can see this is all done. See here, this is all nice and open now with this new flooring. You want to come in and shut that door, Big Daddy? That would, thank you. So you got new carbon in there. Is that carbon in?
Carbon monoxide.
Yeah. So you can see all this is done. All this, the rounds in, new plug switches, lights, new blinds, new paint. Went the extra mile. Here's the bathroom. Again, we put the new flooring in there. We painted it. Did the epoxy in there, right? We just yeah, that was already there, yeah. And you got new lights too. So again, quarter round, very clean, nice bedroom. But I'll have the professional guy come out and take the pictures. I'll call him whenever he's available, and then we'll get this all laid out for you. But you can go ahead and get going. We're going to get this one done. This is awesome. Let's go down to the basement, show you a new bathroom. You have a little covered patio here, right here. So this also got done here. So this is all finished out. You got actually a door that goes right outside there. Got the rubber pads here on the stairs, painted, finished. Here's your new bathroom. It's gorgeous. You can see there's your shower. There's your shower head. Everything's in here. Here's your new vanity. Here's your new toilet. Whole bathroom down here. And then you got all this here. The washer and dryer's in here. That's going to be a nice added bonus for leasing. Believe me, it will be. So again, this is your last video on this. I'll get the professional out here. I appreciate you. Thank you and have a great day. If you have any questions, call me 216-703-5740. Brett with Key Realty. Check out the internet below the websites. Thanks.